Kuwait aspires to be a country with future vision. This fact is ensured a long time ago by completing several infrastructure projects that led to the development of Kuwait and achieved economical benefits and moved the wheel of growth and development in the country. Also, it provided many opportunities to diversify the national economy to favor the prosperity and development of the society. The Energy Conservation Code of Practice for Buildings was developed in 1983 and is being updated periodically. The code, enforced by the Ministry of Electricity and Water, saves the nation millions of Kuwaiti dinars annually by saving energy. In addition, a control that suits the climatic conditions of Kuwait for operating the cooling towers was developed to minimize their water consumption. Several techniques were developed to reduce energy consumption. Their applications saved 20% of the electrical energy consumption in buildings. Research studies for assessment and development of alternative building materials, such as the use of glass-reinforced plastics of polymers as a substitute for enforced steel, will contribute to the increase in the lifetime of facilities. The results of this study are currently being applied by the Ministry of Public Works, in addition to the development of production of Portland cement from raw materials for the Kuwait Cement Company. This is considered as the largest environmental project in the Middle East, where biotechnical methods were used to treat oil sludge, such as biochemical treatments. The results of these projects contributed in establishing foundations to treat oil-contaminated soils and harvested many international awards. Based on the results of this project, these techniques have been adopted by the United Nations as methods to treat and rehabilitate oil lakes, where such treated soils were used in developing recreational parks as a pioneering experiment. The tissue culture projects contributed to the development of agriculture, greening, and environmental improvements. These projects include expanded production of excellent varieties of palm trees, where large number in many types are produced, and sold at nominal prices to companies and individuals in the state of Kuwait. Production of seed potatoes free of disease and viruses and providing them to farmers. This technique was also applied to spread out desert plants and rehabilitate areas in the desert and greening projects. All of these projects and other strategic values that contribute to the development of our dear homeland and serve the Kuwaiti society in various fields of life is the fruit of studies completed by the Kuwait Institute for Scientific Research. This is a pioneer scientific research institute where the applied research was launched on the 17th of February 1967 for the first time in the region, by signing an agreement between the state of Kuwait and the Arabian Oil Company of the Japanese government. Each staff at the institute works with dedication and sincerity and bestows research ideas and experiences in order to emphasize the bright image of the state of Kuwait and to contribute in raising this nation among developed nations.
حلوة فكرة إذا السود أو شيء موحد أو لون موحد. إيه ممكن نحن يعني عرفتي كذي.
The Kuwait Institute for Scientific Research has paid a great attention to the development of human resources through diverse programs, training plans, and on-job training, which cover many fields in the scientific research and technological development in order to maintain the efforts that contribute to the development and modernization of Kuwait in all areas. The state of Kuwait strongly believes in the importance of scientific research and its role in achieving the goals of development. The Institute has received the attention of His Highness the Emir, Sheikh Sabah al-Ahmed al-Jaber al-Sabah, and he praised its achievements on several national and international levels and stressed the importance of applied research for sustainable development, which will serve the nation and citizens, contribute to Kuwait's development, and thrust the development forward.